The reason being digital on the full arch game is important to the analog way, the old way. Most offices today make a denture and they convert it over to a bridge. Well, that never works really that well. And so you end up with a denture with big holes in it where the implants are and another material added, and then we shave that down to a bridge. And that's the way we used to do it a long time ago. Most offices still do it that way because going digital means a lot more equipment. However, because we do this a lot, we do this regularly, we own that equipment to where we can go fully digital, meaning if you want changes to that bridge, we go in, we have the computer with your bridge, your teeth fitting on you three-dimensionally, and we make whatever changes you want to make. Some want show more tooth, less tooth. We make those changes digitally, we print another one, and if heaven forbid you were able to break that, you were to eat almonds and forget you shouldn't eat almonds for the first 3 months. You would break that, and the old way, the way most offices do it, we'd have to coordinate you coming in to see me so I could take it apart, and a lab technician coming to do this repair job on this already beaten up bridge where we just print. You don't even see me. You come in, they remove your bridge, they've got another one waiting for you. We deliver it and it's the exact same one. No one made this. It was printed from a digital file, meaning predictable, repeatable. It's going to be the same one you're used to that you've made changes on.